TELESIN Master Grip Kit for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Magnetic grip plus Selfie light plus graphene cooling equals pro content.
The TELESIN Master Grip Kit for iPhone 17 Pro Max is the ultimate all-in-one mobile filmmaking system. It magnetically attaches to your phone and instantly gives you a professional camera-style grip with a dedicated shutter button and a zoom rocker, a built-in 3,200 mAh wireless charging battery, a detachable C03 adjustable selfie light, full-lens ultraviolet protection filters, and a graphene cooling case that prevents thermal throttling. Everything works together seamlessly. No more carrying separate power banks, lights, or tripods. Designed specifically for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, it transforms your phone into a complete creator rig that handles long shoots, low light, and intense recording without missing a beat.
You get 5 major upgrades in one kit. First, rock-solid ergonomics and hardware controls that make shooting feel like a real camera. No more finger cramps or shaky footage. Second, 3,200 mAh of wireless charging power that adds 8 to 12 hours of shooting time and charges your iPhone while you film. Third, the C03 detachable LED light with 10 brightness levels and 3,000 Kelvin to 6,500 Kelvin color temperature delivers perfect fill light for faces, food, or night shots. Fourth, multi-coated ultraviolet filters permanently protect all 3 lenses while cutting haze and glare for cleaner outdoor footage. Fifth, the graphene cooling case dissipates heat up to 30% faster, eliminating performance drops during 4K to 8K recording or gaming. All of this comes in a compact MagSafe-quick-attach system that weighs under 400 grams total.
Before this kit, creators fought shaky vertical videos, phones dying mid-shoot, harsh shadows on their face, and overheating shutdowns after 15 to 20 minutes of 4K. Now imagine filming a full wedding ceremony one-handed, steady as a camcorder, with perfect skin tones thanks to the C03 light dialed to 4,200 Kelvin, your phone staying ice cool under the graphene case, and the battery still at 68% after 4 hours. Or shooting a food tour in Tokyo, switching from bright sunlight with ultraviolet filters cutting haze to dark ramen shops with the C03 light making the broth glow without ever stopping to charge or swap gear. Travel vloggers film 12-hour days without range anxiety. Real estate agents walk through dim houses with professional-looking footage. Gym creators shoot long takes without sweaty slips or throttling. The before is frustration. The after is effortless professional content.
Most grips give you only a handle. Most power banks only charge. Most lights are bulky. The TELESIN Master Grip Kit beats every competitor because it solves all 5 pain points at once, and reviewers agree. Professional testers recorded 45-minute 4K 60 sessions with the graphene case, keeping the phone 8 to 12 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than naked or regular cases. Travel creators with 2.5 million followers say it replaced their entire bag of gear on 2-week trips. Tech reviewers who tested it against Moment, ShiftCam, and Sandmark systems ranked it #1 for thermal performance, battery capacity to weight ratio, and cohesive integration. Real-world users report 0 dropouts, perfect MagSafe alignment every time, and footage so stable their editors asked what camera they switched to. While other kits force you to mix and match, often costing more when added up, TELESIN delivers everything purpose-built to work together flawlessly. The build quality, feature set, and actual performance make it the clear winner in 2025 creator gear.
Stop settling for shaky, overheated, battery-dead footage in 2025. The TELESIN Master Grip Kit is shipping now, and stocks are moving fast after going viral with creators. Grab yours today with the exclusive affiliate link below and get the complete professional rig, grip, 3,200 mAh wireless power, C03 light, ultraviolet filters, and graphene cooling case before the next price increase. One click and you will never shoot phone video the same way again. Link in description. Order now.